Hello students. So today we'll see some trick in trigonometry. So if sum of two angles is 90, that is a plus b is equal to 90, then we have sin square a plus sin square b is equal to 1. Means here if you substitute b 90 minus a, you will have cos square a. So sin square a plus cos square a is 1. That I have simplified. Similarly, cos square a plus cos square b will be 1. Tan a into tan b will be 1. Condition is a plus b should be equal to 90. So we will see some numericals on this. So now first one, which had appeared in recent Karnataka CET, the value of sin square 51 plus sin square 39 is, he has asked. So now if you see here students, if you add these two angles, that is 51 and 39. If you add these two angles, so 51 plus 39 if you add, you will get, that is 90. You will have 90. So sum of these two angles is 90, a plus b is 90, then answer is 1. Directly in one step you can have. Similarly, if I take second one, here cot pi by 4 plus theta into cot pi by 4 minus theta is equal to, he has given options. Now instead of tan, he has given it as cot, means this condition you can apply for cot over here. Again if you add these two angles, that is 45 plus theta plus 45 minus theta, so theta gets cancelled. Pi by 4 is 45. 45 plus 45 is, you will have 90. So if sum of two angles is 90, then tan A into tan B is 1. So similarly, if you apply here, answer is 1. So just in one step, you can have the answer. Similarly, if I take second one, if we see third one, second I have completed. If I take third one, the value of cos square pi by 12, cos square pi by 4 plus cos square 5 pi by 12. Now if you observe, pi by 12 is nothing but 15 degree. Pi by 12 is nothing but 15 degree. 5 pi by 12 is nothing but 75 degree, is equal to 75 degree. So again if you add these two angles, 15 plus 75 will be equal to 90. Means again cos square A plus cos square B is 1. So sum of these two is 1. Cos square pi by 4, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 square. So value will be 1 plus 1 by root 2 square. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, you will have answer 3 by 2. So option A is our answer. Clear students? Very easy steps. Similarly, if you take fourth one. So here sin square pi by 8 plus sin square 3 pi by 8 plus sin square 5 pi by 8 plus sin square 7 pi by 8 is equal to, has asked. Now if you observe over here, if you take these two terms, so if you add these angles, that is pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8, LCM is same, so you will have 4 pi by 8, that is nothing but pi by 2. So sum of these two angles is 90. So sin square A plus sin square B is 1, you can apply. So sum of these two is 1. Sum of these two is 1. Now here if you see, difference of 5 and 8 is 3. Difference of 7 and 8 is 1, that is 1 pi. So here these two terms, that is this and this, I can write it as, so sin 5 pi by 8, I can write it as sin pi minus 3 pi by 8. Clear? So if you take LCM, you will be having again 5 pi by 8. Now if you apply sin 180 minus theta, second quadrant, so it will be sin theta, means this term becomes sin 3 pi by 8. Similarly, if you take sine 7 pi by 8 will be sine pi minus pi by 8. So if you take LCM, it is 7 pi by 8. So sine 180 minus theta means this will be sine pi by 8. So these two terms, that is these two terms, I can write it as sine square pi by 8 plus sine square, that is 3 pi by 8. Again, if you add these two angles, you will have 90, similar to this. So this answer will be also equal to 1. Means this answer is also 1. So 1 plus 1 you will have answer 2. So option D is our answer. Clear, students? So these two angles I have converted to these two. So if you add these two, it will be 90. So sine square A plus sine square B is 1. So this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1 you will have 2. So going for the next problem. If you go for next one. So the value of sine square 5 degree, sine square 10, sine square 15, so on up to sine square 90 degree is. Now here again I will be using this condition. If you add two angles, it should be 90. So now here 5. If you add 85 to 5, it is 90. So I can club these two. These two together I can write. So I will write here sine square 5 plus sine square 85. Similarly 10. Behind this you are having angle sine square 80. Difference is of 5, 5, 5. So if I add these two, again it is 90. So sine square 10 plus sine square 80. So this is 1, this is 1. Similarly, if you go 15, behind this you will have 75. So sine square 15 plus sine square 75. Again this is also equal to 1. Similarly, if you go last, you will be having sine square 40 plus sine square 50 will be also equal to 1. So now just other two terms remains, that is at the center you are having 45, so sine square 45, and the last term is sine square 90. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so sine square 45 will be 1 by 2, sine square 90 is 1. So if you add these terms, here sum is there. So how many ones will be there, can you guess? So if you observe here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on up to 40. Means 5 ones are 5, 8s are 40. So sum of all these 1 will be equal to 8. Here 1 by 2 is there. Here 1 is there. So again if you add these 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 and half. So answer is 9 and half. So 8 plus 1, 9 and half. So 9 and half. So answer is D is the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, sixth if I take tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into so on up to tan 89 is. So now here this condition we will be using tan A into tan B is 1. So if I take 1 degree, so if you add 89, it will be 90. So tan 1 into tan 89 will be equal to 1. If you take next angle tan 2 into here, previous to this will be tan 88 will be 1. Similarly, it will go up to tan 44 and here you will have tan 46. Again this will be 1. As you know, tan 45 is also 1. Here in between we are having into. So if you multiply all these terms, again you will be having answer 1. So answer is B. That is B is our answer. Clear, students? So if you like this video, you please share with your friends and ask them to subscribe my channel. Again, I will be bringing such videos in future. Thank you.